Good evening, everybody. This is Timmy Lamna here, and this is an alert video regarding regardless of what's happening in the Hurricane Irma. Yep. And remember, I'd like to remind you, in the South Florida and in South Florida and West Central Western Florida. And I know Florida governor has been declared state emergency shelter. I do know. Christopher Rahaman, hope you're safe. As our Facebook friends, Uncle Jim, hope you're safe. And my grandma, and lives in Naples, Florida, hope you guys you're safe. And regardless. And please, don't be careful. And this, I do know. There we go. I don't need the Pearson in the hotel. In Carolina, in the west, in the South Florida to northern Florida. So Homestead Miami Speedway, hope you're safe and stay safe. Be careful. And this is regarding to the Hurricane Irma update. Yep. And please, and remember, I'd like to remind you. Okay. And please. And this is to take in the state emergency shelters. The wind gusts up to 1 this weekend. This weekend, Miami already declared state emergency shelters. And the speeds up to heavy downpour and wind gusts up to 150 miles per hour. However, and then and the wind up to almost over 100 miles per hour. And then on Saturday, and the rain started to fall. And please, and 100 on Saturday, in Miami, Florida, in Naples, Florida, the wind gusts up to 70 miles per hour. There's a destructive winds and power lines will be down. Yep. Preview. I know. Post Marnez Fainton and post on Hurricane Irene updated back in 2011. Yeah, what? And please be safe. My Uncle Jim, please stay home during the storm. And in emergency shelters. That's good, dude. Nerdy. I do know the Florida governor, when you guys a tree knocked down trees and power lines with possibly tornado. And what's happening on YouTube? And you can hear the dust storm warning and already declared state emergency shelters. And that's gonna do it in the Hurricane Irma update. And please, one other thing. And Uncle Jim, my grandma, please stay home during the storm. and be safe. And okay, that wraps up my Hurricane Irma update. And enjoy. I'll see you next time. Until then, be safe and be careful.